two TCs, right?
Yeah, they work together, but yeah.
Yeah, it's the amendment to turn the credit into, to put it into the contract.
Okay.
Because we had a 2000. Whoa! Oh, Jesus! Sorry.
Oh my God.
Huge car wreck. Ran the light. Huge car wreck right in front of me. I got to go. Check on that amendment. I got to call 911. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah, okay.
Happy Time Pizza several times in the almanac, so I knew he had fond memories of this place. He'd often come here after school to avoid going home. The interior recreated the atmosphere of the pizza parlor and video arcade in loving detail. Several
Oh my God! Holy sh**. Oh my God, is he gonna run? No, he's moving out of the way. Holy
What the?
Basically you should net 1% of your purchase price as gross rental income per month. You can see again, if you look here in Tulsa, quite a few houses here under $200,000.
Ooh. Oh my god, bro.
dog. What the heck are you doing, dude? You almost hit me. Incredibly close.